That was toast I broke up. Okay, listen now. There she is right there. She done came way down here close to me. I was going to the front yard. She came and started raising cane. Come here, girl. Girl, come here. Come on, me and you gonna have to get used to each other one day. We can't keep hanging around like this. Me and you can't hang around like this now. We got to come down here to some kind of conclusion now. Come on, girl. Me and you got to get things going on. Me and that squirrel, that bird got to get things going on. Come on. You know who I am. I'm the pecan man. Them squirrels them birds love pecans. She don't care who gives them to her. Tell you what, these things right here, my hand's giving out of air holding it over my head. Yeah, she was raising cane just a while ago. She's waiting patiently right now. I'm gonna move some of these right down here. And I'm gonna leave these right here. I'm gonna leave these right here like this. And that's some wheat toast bread, wheat toast. I just went and got some grits, eggs, bacon, and some wheat toast, and a cup of coffee. I went and got me some of that at the Waffle House. All right, I put that down there for her. Let's see what she's gonna do. Come on. You coming? I'm gonna stand right here for a minute now. Come on, show everybody you know what you're doing. Come on, show everybody you know what you're doing. You coming? Come on. Come on, girl. Me and you go through this every day, girl, 2 or 3 times a day. She'll come to the fence in just a minute, just a second. Come on. Getting lower and lower. Come on to the fence. Come on down. Flying back and forth. She making sure she got an escape plan. She making sure she can get out of there on both ways. Come on. Nah, I'm gonna leave her like that. I got a couple things I got to go do. I gotta go get some milk and bananas and a couple other things from the store. All right, stop.